Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us a very popular car, and this is 2020 koenigsegg jesko from Hot Wheels, and it is from the series Hot Wheels Exotics, and this is numbered at 184 out of 250. So I got this in the K case, and this I found in a local store around 179 rupees. So we'll see this today, how it is from inside and all the details, but not going to unbox it because I think it will be more valuable if I keep it in this pristine condition. That's why. So let's talk about it. The first impressions are it is very lightweight car. It's not that heavy, and I think the base is of plastic. That's why, and the body is also not that heavy. Okay, talking about the side, you can see this looks a very basic car, like there is nothing more livery and all, but just some designs and the curves, that only is appealing for this car, and that is the key. Okay, so talking about the car, it is different. The tires, I'm saying, it is different a little bit. You can see the rims are different, and it looks too good. The curves and all, the shape of the car, it's fabulous actually. Let's see on the front. If you come, you can see the headlights are painted actually, or you can say they are like a stickers that they have put on over there. So there is a line also over here. You can see some logo. Let me zoom it for you guys. Yeah, now if you're able to see, there is a logo and a white line, as you can see here. Okay, and the hood looks too good. The hood also is very good. The interior is not visible that much as it's tinted, the black glass. Let's talk about the fin now, and it's too good, man. Look at that spoiler. That's the key thing here. And the back also has nice exhaust and koenigsegg written over there. Back, the taillights are not painted and all, but it looks good. I like the spoiler, how it goes from here to here, and it looks very nice. It reminds me of the car, the Tarzan, the Wonder car. If you are from India, you know this car, and the color and the paint job is similar to that car only. Let's see the base. And base is plastic. None of them is detailed, like nothing is detailed. And you can see 2020 koenigsegg jesko, made in Malaysia. That's all. The tires are plastic, and yeah, like the paint job, the curves. That's all for this car. They don't have mirrors also, as you can see here. They have provided mirror, but not here. And that's all for the car, guys. It's an awesome piece. And let me give you a fun fact. It's like the fastest car, I think so. So I'm not sure whether the record is broke or not yet, but this was registered as the fastest car, the koenigsegg jesko. So that's it for the car, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed and keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.